Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Since I started my website over 5 years ago, I've been showing you how to make an important part of cooking, which is the 5 French mother sauce. So far, we've learned about Béchamel, Hollandaise, Espagnole, and a few of their secondary sauces. Here's another one that belongs right under Hollandaise. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Béarnaise sauce. This recipe is one you have to master, especially if you enjoy filet mignon. It's a rich buttery sauce that has a beautiful aroma from the tarragon. In this video, you'll see how easy it is to make from scratch. So my friends, let's get cooking.
First, we'll make an infused wine. In a medium saucepan, we'll add shallots, dry white wine, then white wine vinegar, but you can always use champagne vinegar, a couple large sprigs of tarragon, and some mixed peppercorns. We'll stir to combine the ingredients and bring the mixture to a boil. When it gets there, we'll reduce the heat and let it simmer until there's about 3 to 4 tablespoons of liquid left in the saucepan, about 15 minutes. We'll remove from the heat and strain the mixture through a fine sieve sitting over a bowl. We'll press down on the solids to extract as much liquid as possible. Discard what's left in the sieve and set aside. Next, in another medium saucepan, we'll add our 4 egg yolks. And there's one who doesn't want to jump. Come on, buddy. Oops, there it is. Alright, so we'll start whisking until they get thick, about a minute. While we're doing that, we'll slowly pour in the infused wine. Why not pouring it in faster, you may ask? Well, let's put it that way. Egg yolks can be touchy, and to not disturb them too much, introducing the acidity slowly will blend everything perfectly. So we'll move the saucepan on the burner and set the heat to medium. We'll season a little bit with salt, not too much, okay? Now, here's the tricky part. While whisking constantly, we'll lift the saucepan on and off so we don't shock the yolks by gradually heating them up. Otherwise, they might turn into scrambled, and this is far from what we want. Another way to do it is to simply slide the saucepan off and on the burner. I personally prefer lifting up, so whichever way you prefer. Eventually, the custard will thicken nicely. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? So when we reach this consistency, we'll move the saucepan away from the heat and start adding the lukewarm melted butter, pouring it a few drops at first. Remember not to shock the yolks. As we continue whisking continuously, we'll gradually add more as we progress with the sauce without messing up until it's all incorporated. It should take a couple minutes. When this step is done, we'll add some lemon juice, which will brighten up the sauce. Last but not least, we'll add some fresh chopped tarragon and whisk it into the mixture. Of course, we'll taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Now here's a little trick. Filming takes time, so my sauce got slightly too thick. It's okay. I added about half a tablespoon of lukewarm water to thin it out. If it happens to you for whatever reason, don't panic and add a little bit. See, now the consistency of the sauce is perfect. Not too thin or not too thick. We'll serve immediately. Otherwise, we'll place a piece of wax paper on top, making sure it touches the surface to prevent a skin from forming. And that's it, we're done. And my friends, this is our Béarnaise sauce. This Hollandaise secondary sauce is traditionally served with steaks, but can also be used with salmon or swordfish, on eggs, as well as on the famous open-faced sandwich called chicken Rochambeau, or even on beans, asparagus, etc. It's another flavorful French classic sauce to master. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!